Hi guys, welcome to Life with Mama Khan. Today I'm showing you how to make this quick, refreshing strawberry lemonade. Let's get started. So I'm starting with peeling my lemon. I'm trying to get as much rind off as possible, but if you're left with some rind, that's okay. It will just add to the flavor of the lemonade. Next, I'm taking my strawberries. I have about 5 or 6 strawberries and I'm just slicing them and placing them in a bowl. To this, I'm just adding half a cup of sugar and some lemon juice and mixing it really well. Then I'm adding the prepared ingredients to a blender. Blend till the mixture is completely blended. Now to a glass with ice, I'm just adding some of that blended mixture. Then I'm just diluting the mixture with some club soda. Some people call this fizzy water. Give it a stir. And the drink is ready. Hope you try this recipe and enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time!